Today I am reviewing the NZXT H5 Flow 2024 mid-tower PC case. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a gaming PC or upgrading your current setup, the NZXT H5 Flow 2024 is an exceptional choice for both aesthetics and performance. This compact ATX mid-tower case is designed to provide high airflow, excellent cooling options, and professional cable management, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts who want a clean and efficient build. One of the standout features of the H5 Flow is its focus on airflow and thermal performance. The case comes equipped with two pre-installed 120mm quiet airflow fans, one at the front and one at the rear, providing immediate cooling for your components out of the box. The PSU shroud is thoughtfully perforated on the side and bottom, allowing optimal intake from additional fans, ensuring that your GPU and other critical components stay cool even during long gaming sessions. For builders who want to push their cooling further, the H5 Flow supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator on the top, giving you the potential for high-performance liquid cooling setups. This makes it versatile enough for both air-cooled and water-cooled systems. The build quality and design of the H5 Flow are also impressive. The case features tempered glass panels on the side, giving you a clear view of your components while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. The ultra-fine mesh panels on the top, front, and side provide maximum airflow while filtering dust, keeping your components clean and ensuring longevity. This design makes it a perfect case for showcasing RGB components, custom cooling loops, or any high-end PC hardware you might install. Another key strength of the H5 Flow is its cable management system. NZXT has integrated wide channels, hooks, and straps to help you route and conceal cables effortlessly, resulting in a tidy and professional-looking interior. A well-managed build not only looks great, but also helps maintain airflow, further improving thermal efficiency. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned PC enthusiast, the cable management system makes installation and maintenance stress-free. The case is also designed for flexibility and compatibility. Despite being a compact mid-tower, it supports full-size ATX motherboards and has plenty of clearance for modern GPUs and high-end cooling solutions. This makes it a great choice for builders who want a smaller footprint without compromising on hardware compatibility or performance. The front I/O panel provides convenient access to USB ports and audio connections, ensuring that your peripherals are always easily reachable. Overall, the NZXT H5 Flow 2024 is more than just a case. It's a platform for building a high-performance, visually stunning PC. Its combination of high airflow, excellent cooling support, pre-installed fans, tempered glass aesthetics, and seamless cable management makes it a top-tier choice for gamers, streamers, and PC enthusiasts. Whether you're planning a straightforward gaming build or a custom water-cooled rig, the H5 Flow provides the flexibility, performance, and style you need to create a system that performs well and looks fantastic. With NZXT's attention to detail, thoughtful engineering, and commitment to both cooling efficiency and sleek design, the H5 Flow 2024 is one of the best mid-tower cases available today. It's an investment in performance, organization, and visual appeal that will serve any PC builder well for years to come.